Ever wonder what goes on behind the scenes of the invisible network linking the whole world? Far below the oceans, millions of miles of super strong fiber optic cables carry the pulse of modern life. They move billions of messages, videos, and bits of info every single second. In high-tech factories, plain white silica sand gets turned into ultra-pure glass fibers thinner than a single human hair, but powerful enough to handle mind-blowing amounts of data at the speed of light. Viewers, welcome to the Ramon 1 TV YouTube channel.
And today we will discuss in detail the issue of optical fiber internet access. From blazing heat and precise engineering to huge submarine cables running under the deepest oceans, every single strand is crucial for keeping the world connected.
From a tiny grain of sand to the most powerful communication system ever made, this is the untold story of the technology behind our digital world. Stick around, because what you're about to see will totally change how you think about the internet.
The core's intense glow shines bright, showing its
The core has a higher refractive index than the see-through cladding, which is how total internal reflection works. With this microscope-style lighting, you can clearly see the round shape showing the core separate from the super-reflective cladding. Wow!
When you put them side by side, the difference is amazing. The human hair looks thick and kinda rough. Wow! Just look at how the light goes through that. It's gorgeous! We actually pulled it off.
The diameter reading is a bit above the limit. Got it. I'll tweak the tension just a little now. The fiber's under 100,000 psi of tension to make sure it can handle tough conditions. This proof test is really important. Here, you can see the fibers going into the precision machine, where they get perfectly aligned and bonded with the clear matrix material, coming out as one flat ribbon. A pressurized nozzle sprays a special. The wires form the spiral armor needed for deep-sea use. Check the tension on that top coil, right there. Looks good from here. Make a note of the alignment. Keep it moving straight. Watch the alignment on the left. We need more slack from the back. Tension steady at 40 kilonewtons.
Deployment speed steady at 0.5 meters per second. Captain, confirmed. Hold course and depth. Keep the pace steady. Steady as she goes.
Optical fiber internet is working non-stop day after day to power our digital lives and keep us effortlessly connected to the world. Every single day it provides us with ultra-fast and stable internet speeds, allowing millions of people to work from home smoothly, attend online classes and download e-files in seconds. It handles our daily entertainment needs by streaming high-definition movies, music and online games without any annoying buffering or lag, even when multiple devices are connected at the same time.
Throughout the day it secures and speeds up our financial life by enabling instant online banking, digital payments and smooth shopping experiences at any hour. It also keeps us constantly close to our family and friends by supporting crystal clear video calls and instant messaging across the globe without dropping connections.
Essentially, optical fiber internet has become the invisible backbone of our daily routine, making our lives faster, smarter, and much more productive every day. Viewers, you will benefit a lot by watching this video.